I have already bought lots of iPhones for a budget prices. iPhone 11, iPhone 11 Pro, iPhone 11 Pro Max, iPhone 12, iPhone 12 mini. But what about iPhone 13 Pro? This time I got a decent deal and bought iPhone 13 Pro for just $463. There should be some sort of scam or not? Let's find out. It was really hard to find a good iPhone 13 Pro or Pro Max on eBay for a low price, but somehow I managed to find one. It was iPhone 13 Pro and I bought it for $462.60. The title was saying that iPhone 13 Pro is locked and was listed for parts. The detailed description shared a bit of history of the iPhone. It was found password locked, owner never requested or returned for the iPhone, and seller decided to sell it online. After checking closely the photos of the iPhone, I found it in a pretty good condition. I also checked the IMEI number of the phone online and found out that it was 256GB model, never locked, and iCloud free. Once the item was received, it was time to unbox it. Here I have iPhone 13 Pro, which I bought for less than $500. The condition looks gorgeous. The front screen has zero scratches and looks pristine. The back glass does not have any signs of use as well. The bezels are scratch-free, but I noticed some dust in the speaker mesh on the bottom of the iPhone. The front screen speaker mesh also has some dust or even mud, as well as the side bezels and back camera cover. Looks like this iPhone was found in a sand. As always, the first thing I will do is to check the IMEI of the phone located on the SIM tray. With no surprise, it matches the IMEI number provided in the listing. Now I can try to turn the iPhone on. Boom! And we have a logo. The iPhone is locked with previous user password, so currently there's nothing I can do to check its working condition. All I need to do now is to restore the iPhone to default settings. In order to do that, I will grab my laptop, connect the iPhone, put it in DFU mode and restore it. Instruction of how to enter DFU mode on iPhone 13 Pro is the same as for the other models. Press the volume up button, volume down button, then hold the power up button for 10 seconds. After 10 seconds, simultaneously hold the power up button and volume down button for 5 more seconds. After 5 seconds, release the power up button, but proceed holding the volume down button until the iPhone is recognized by Mac. After applying same instruction, the iPhone is in DFU mode and ready to be restored. Once the iPhone was recognized by my Mac, I proceed downloading newest firmware. When download was done, it was time to restore it. After successful restore, I proceed setting up the iPhone. Activation was passed without any issues, and full setup was fully completed. Now I can check the actual IMEI number of the iPhone, if it matches the IMEI number on the SIM tray. It matched! Nice! Next, I will proceed with additional tests in order to check any possible issues with the iPhone. Once all the tests were completed, I was 100% sure that the phone works as expected. The battery health check showed that the iPhone has 99% of the maximum capacity, while third-party app showed me that the iPhone has 162 cycle counts, which is close to a new phone. As the final step, I will do some additional cleaning to make the phone look like new. Finally, I have a fully working and pristine looking iPhone 13 Pro. Now let's talk about numbers of this project. iPhone 13 Pro costed $462.60. Tax was high this time and I paid $90. Shipping costed $10.32, making a total of $563.02. I expect to sell this iPhone in range between $850 and $950, making a profit between $287 and $387. This is the best deal so far. If you like this video, smash that like button. If you want to see more, hit subscribe button. And I see you in the next one.